So here we're going to learn the remaining part of the text, page 47, the remaining part. Be patient, Tarun, let me finish the whole story, said his grandfather. All right, said Tarun. So grandfather, here he wants Tarun to listen attentively the remaining part. Because if he does not know about the Prince Khurram, how can he know about the Taj Mahal? It is very essential, it is very required, it's very useful, and it is necessary to know about both the Prince Khurram or Emperor Khurram or Emperor Shah Jahan in order to know the creation of Taj Mahal, of the Taj Mahal. His grandfather continued with the story. So he resumes his part of the remaining part of the story. Prince Khurram was later known as Shah Jahan. We have got the information that he later was renamed or he later was named as Shah Jahan. He became the emperor in the year 1628. Emperor is in a magnanimous sense we call a king. Bangla etake bole সম্রাট. If you note the year is 1628, and if we go back to our previous knowledge, that 1612 is the year when Shah Jahan or Khurram he married Mumtaz Mahal, the lady. So it is almost after 16 years of his marriage that he became the emperor. Arjuman Banu Begum was later renamed as Mumtaz Mahal. So here we get another renaming, that is Mumtaz Mahal is a name who was previously known as Arjuman Banu Begum. So Prince Khurram becomes Shah Jahan and Arjuman Banu Begum becomes Mumtaz Mahal. But what does the name Mumtaz Mahal mean? Asked Tarun. What is the meaning of the word Mumtaz Mahal? It means the brightest crown of the world. Crown is something which the king or the queen wears on his or her head. Rajmukut, Banglaয় bole. So here the meaning of Mumtaz Mahal also we have got something very precious. Something very precious is the meaning. Then he continued with his tale. Tale is the noun form. Tale mane hocche golpo, story. When Mumtaz was on her deathbed, Mrityu Shojja, deathbed meaning is Mrityu Shojja, Shah Jahan promised her that he would not marry again. He also promised her that he would build the most beautiful mausoleum over her grave. So here Shah Jahan made two promises. The first one is that he will not marry again. That means he will not remarry. Once Mumtaz Mahal is dead, he would not marry again. Next is that he would be building the most beautiful mausoleum over her grave. Mausoleum kotaran mane ki? The mausoleum, meaning of mausoleum is a large stately tomb or a building housing such a tomb. Mane ekta boro কবরের উপর তৈরি করা বিশাল বড় monument. A monument which is built on a tomb or which is built on a grave. The meaning is also given here through the conversation. What is that? We come across that Tarun asks this question. What is that? What is a mausoleum, grandfather? Asks Tarun in surprise. So Tarun also, like us, like you people, he also wants to know the actual meaning of the word mausoleum. Oh, a mausoleum is a building built to house the dead. So we have got the meaning. If you do not know the actual meaning is almost given in the book. The meaning is a building built to house the dead. House ekhane noun hishabe, verb hishabe, pardon me, house here has been, amra jani house is a noun, but here house has been used as a verb. That means something which is done or something which is created to honor the dead. যিনি মারা গেছেন, যার মৃত্যুর উদ্দেশ্যে, যার মেমোরিতে, যার স্মৃতিতে সেই স্মৃতিসৌধটা বানানো হয়েছে, তাকে সম্মান জানানোর জন্য তৈরি একটি বড় অট্টালিকা, a big monument. Said grandfather. According to legends, Shah Jahan was so sad after her death that he ordered the court to mourn for 2 years. The meaning of court is given if you check page 48. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth word. The place from where a king governs and passes judgment. মানে বাংলায় বলে রাজসভা. So what does the king do? What does Shah Jahan do? He did two things. The first one is that he promised his queen that he will be making mausoleum. He will create, or he will build the most beautiful mausoleum in memory of her. And second one, that he ordered his court to mourn the death of his beloved for 2 years. Remember that. Mourn কথাটা মানে হচ্ছে lament, something which you do when we feel very sad. Lament, L-A-M-E-E-N-T, L-A-M-E-E-N-T, lament. মন শব্দের মানে তোমাদের বইতেও দেওয়া আছে, এখানে দেওয়া আছে শো স্যাডনেস, এখানে তুমি একটা সিঙ্গেল ওয়ার্ডে লিখতে পারো ল্যামেন্ট, L-A-M-E-N-T. Later, Shah Jahan started to build the world's most beautiful monument beside the river Yamuna in memory of his beloved wife. The meaning of beloved is once again given here, that is a person who is dearly loved or a person who is extremely loved, যাকে তুমি খুব বেশি ভালোবাসো. So what happens here is that the monument is created just beside river Yamuna. It took 22 years and 22,000 workers to build the monument. খুবই সোজা এই ডিটেল. It is very easy to remember the detail because the number 22 is associated with it in very, very huge way. The first one is that it took 22 years, and second one is that it involved 22,000 workers to complete the work. The Taj Mahal was built entirely out of white marble. The white marble was brought in from all over Asia. So the monument is built with white marbles, and it is taken from, or the marbles have been gathered from all over Asia, or all around Asia. When Shah Jahan died in 1666, 1666, this is also very easy to remember, 1666, his body was placed next to the grave of Mumtaz Mahal. Grave মানে হচ্ছে any place of tomb, আরেকটি জায়গা, মৃতদেহ বা বারিয়াল প্লেস আমরা বলতে পারি, কবরস্থান আমরা বলতে পারি বাংলায়. So because of the nature of love, because of the extremity of love that the king or the emperor had for his wife, his dead body is also placed next to the grave of Mumtaz Mahal. This magnificent monument came to be known as the Taj Mahal. It is now considered to be one among the 7 wonders of the world. So Taj Mahal, as you know, is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Grandfather paused for a moment. Well, I have told you quite a lot today. Will this be helpful enough? So because the story is being completed, the grandfather wanted to know from his grandson if he is acquainted, if he is very happy, or if he is satisfied with the story or with the informations that he had provided him with. Oh yes, now I can easily write a paragraph on the Taj Mahal, said Tarun happily. So Tarun also says that yes, he is very satisfied, he is very happy. Whatever informations would be required to write this paragraph, he thinks that he has got a huge number of informations from his grandfather. ওয়ার্ড মিনিংসগুলো মনে রাখবে, যে ওয়ার্ড মিনিংসগুলো আমি বলে দিই সেইগুলো ভালো করে শুনে, বারবার শুনে মনে রাখবে. এবং যদি মনে হয়, ইফ ইউ থিঙ্ক দ্যাট দি সাউন্ড কোয়ালিটি অফ দিস ভিডিও ইজ এ বিট লো, দেন try to listen to it through headphones. Okay, and also mark the answers from the book, and also listen to the words, listen to the meaning of the words very carefully, so that you do not do any kind of misspelling, so that you cannot do any misspell.